Hello, maurieo! In this video I'm going to show you a little bit of information that I found when I was drawing setbacks for a lot in the subdivision process that I was working on. And so what I've depicted here is just a typical lot here with the road boundary here. Now what I was doing in my situation was I wanted to, first of all, I was creating, and I'll just do these in a different color, I was creating using the boundary command to work out the area of my lots, B-O-U-N-D-A-R-Y, boundary, like so, and then we just pick a point and pick in the middle of the lot, and there like so, and there you go, that's the lot. Now I was also treating the road as a lot, so that was a lot as well, so that also had an area as well. So that meant that there was a polyline sort of going from here through to here. Now the boundary setbacks that we usually need to show are usually 1.5 meters off the rear and side boundaries and 3 meters off the road boundary. So what I did was just used offset and put in a distance of 1.5 for the side boundaries, and then just clicked and offset, and that's the 1.5. But the dilemma I had now is that I wanted 3 meter. So if I go offset, enter, and push 3 meters like that there, obviously if I click on this polyline here, I get just a one inside the other, and so to get that to work I would have to explode it and extend it and do some things, which is quite onerous, so I don't want to do that. But what I can do is I had my road was a lot, so I could offset that polyline that depicted the whole road. So here we go, offset, and still at 3 meters, and 3 meters, and then I can select this line here, this polyline here, and put my 3 meters up there, which is really good. And now it's just a matter of using my trim command, TR, and a double hit, and if I just trim on there, it takes out that, and that there, and that there, and there you are. I have my setback 1.5 like so. It now remains like that would be one polyline. It now remains to perhaps set it up here as by layer, put it in perhaps a setbacks layer, and obviously in that setbacks layer change my line type perhaps to something like that. And so there I have my setbacks, and I thought that was a worthwhile time saving, just to point that out. It makes it quite easy to draw the setbacks, and could save a little bit of time, particularly if you're doing 40 or so lots. And then the other remaining thing to do is just to put your shape factor circle in the middle, which is C for circle, and put it in the middle. 15 meter diameter is the one that we use. 15 meter radius, sorry. So let's just click on that there. 15 meter radius, 15 meter diameter. It goes in there like that, and we can position that as near as we can in the middle. Don't forget your match properties. Always very handy, match properties. Click on there and on your shape factor circle, and there you go. That could obviously be moved around a little bit more just to get it in the middle, so we just can click it, right click, move. This is something I've been using lately, is just to click over here in a free space, and it just sort of makes moving them around a little bit. Here I'm just doing it by eye. You could put a diagonal line and hit the midpoint if you wished, but I think that's pretty good like that. So there you are. Maurieo draws a setback. Cheers. See you.